In the southern reaches of the Korean peninsula lies a place where silence grows as gracefully as the tea it nurtures. This is Bosong, Korea's Emerald Crown. Here, time slows. The breeze whispers through rows of perfectly sculpted tea bushes. And the morning mist, like a painter's breath, glides across the hills. Generations have worked these lands, their hands shaping not just harvests but heritage. Each step on this soil is a quiet tribute to tradition. In Bosong, you don't just see green. You feel it. A stillness that stays with you. A quiet so full, it becomes a song. This is not just a tea field. It is a sanctuary of harmony between earth, air, and spirit. A place where the ordinary becomes sacred. This is Bosong. Let it steep in your soul.